खुली नजर से देखो मित्रों, खोलो मन के द्वार। खुली नजर से देखो मित्रों, खोलो मन के द्वार। जो है जैसा वैसा क्यों है, इस पर करो विचार। जो है जैसा वैसा क्यों है इस
Today I am going to tell you about my project Hand Steadiness Tester. Hand Steadiness Tester is a device in which you can measure your steadiness of hand. In this game, the player has to take this hook from one end to this end without touching this metal wire. Otherwise, if you touch the metal wire, the buzzer will start its sound. Now, materials required. Materials required are foams, metal, wooden stick, metal wire, buzzer, wires, and battery. How it is constructed. Now, wooden logs are placed on the base with the help of the hooks, and then foams are attached. The buzzer is fixed, the battery is arranged, and then the hook is attached to this wire, and then the wire is placed in this, and then it is attached to this wires. Now, the black wire is attached to the red wire of the hook, the red wire of the buzzer is attached to the red wire of battery, and black wire of the battery is attached to the metal rod. Now I will tell you how it is useful. This device is useful for increasing our concentration. Very often our parents feel that we should be coordinated while doing various activities, and then it is very important. So this is done by concentration. Concentration needs patience and practice. This is how the game helps you, because it makes our concentration very effective. So now I will tell you how this game is played. Now I will take this steadily. This is how the beauty of game is. Now I will try it again and again, because I want to improve upon my previous activities, and everybody does the same, because this game is the effective one. Thank you.
It's aquaponics farming. The principle of our project is to show how the plants grow and the fishes grow at the same time. The materials required for our project are pipe stands, stones, glass, saline pipe, etc. So let us start with some information about our project. Aquaponics is a combination of aquaculture, which means the growing of aquatic animals such as fishes, snails, etc. Hydroponics means growing of plants without soil. Aquaponics uses these two in symbiotic combination, in which the plants are fed, the fish or other aquatic animals discharge or waste. In return, the plants clean the water which goes back to the fish. Along with the fish and their waste, microbes play a very important role in this cycle. Microbes called nitrifying bacteria transforms ammonium or ammonia to convert to NO2 and then NO3. The latter, it is being very less toxic for fish than ammonia and nitrite. These beneficial bacteria gather between the spaces of roots, and from there they convert the waste into nutrients, which is absorbed by the roots of the plants. The result is a perfect collaboration between aquaculture and gardening.
Aquaponics is a big hope, sustainable crop production, aquaculture and water consumption. The fish produce waste and it is given to the plants, which helps them to grow instead of throwing it into the ocean. The water is recirculated in a closed system and by lowering the consumption of the resource. The fish used in this farming should be the freshwater fish. Most popular is tilapia. Other aquatic animals live here are snails and shrimps. We can also feed the fish broccoli, beans, etc. The benefits of aquaponics farming are we can grow both vegetables and fishes at the same time. The result is healthier. We don't need any expensive fertilizers because the nutrients of the fish waste help the plants to grow. In this way, we can grow many plants in a small place. The plants grow faster because of the nutrient substances in the fish waste.
For this experiment, we need 3 glasses of water, salt, sugar powder and 3 lemon. In these 3 glasses, we will add water. Now, in this glass, we will put 1 lemon. See, it is sinking. In this glass, we will add 2 spoons of salt. Now we will mix it. We will mix this salt and water till the salt dissolves completely. Now we will put 1 lemon. See, it is floating. Now in this glass we will add sugar powder, 2 spoons. Now we will mix it. In this glass also we will mix the sugar powder and water till the sugar dissolves completely. Now we will put 1 lemon. See, it is also floating. This lemon is floating because the sugar water makes the higher density than the density of lemon, so it is floating. In this glass also, the salt powder makes the higher density than the lemon, so it is floating. But in this glass, the water makes lower density than the density of lemon, so it is sinking.
Fire on water. First, we have to take a glass of water and we have to put some nail paint on the water. Now we have to fire this nail paint. Now we can see that we have made the fire on the water. It is because the nail paint is flammable and it can also float on water. And when we burn the nail paint, the fire doesn't touch the water, so it continues to
Here
burn.
to solve the addition of linear equations using the curves and counters. I am taking this equation x plus 3 is equal to 4 using the curves and counters. X variable plus 3 counters. Is equal to 4. So on the left hand side it is positive 3. So when we take it to the right hand side it will become negative. So negative it will be here. And here also minus 3. So plus minus 3 will get cancelled.
it will remain 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. And 1 is in positive because the 4 is the large number in positive. So 1 is the answer of the equation x plus 3 is equal to 4.
To prepare an activity on topic geometry, activity number 2. I have cut out it here a quadrilateral PQRS, and I have marked the 4 angles. I have cut out the 4 angles and I am going to place them on a line. So first of all, I'll paste this quadrilateral here. Now I have pasted here the quadrilateral. Now I will paste this quadrilateral here, on which I have drawn these 4 angles. This is the first angle, this is the second angle, this is the third angle, and this is the fourth angle. Now I have pasted the colored quadrilateral. Now I will paste all the 4 angles which I have drawn here, and further I will paste them on a number line to tell that all these angles perform and shows a complete quadrilateral. Now I have pasted all the 4 angles here. Here is the first angle, here is the second angle, here is the third angle, and here is the fourth angle. Now I will draw a line and paste all these 4 angles which will further make a complete angle. So this is a line AB which has a midpoint of O, and I will paste all these 4 angles joining to the point O, and further we will observe that they all makes a complete angle. Now we can observe that here I have pasted all the 4 angles and it forms a complete angle. Now we can see that these 4 angles forms a complete angle which is PQRS, and here is the point O. So this is the activity second from the experiment of geometry.
Death preventing car. In this car I have used very much of metal so that when the accident will occur, then there will be no harm to the person in the car. And second thing is that it has circular roof so that when the car will roll, then its roof will help it to be straight again. Thank you.
Math square. It is a basically fun and working model to increase